on, Kitten Coaches? I mean YouTube. It's Gaming Tube here, and today we're going to be doing some Derby Destruction Simulator. I'm Simon Ward. I got $9,337. So this Derby. I have 2 arenas that are unlocked, so I'm going to go with the 1. Arena 1. So here we go. Okay, so what you want to do first is go, god dang, is go for that semi. Or whoever just walks in front of you like that. That's the main point, is to go for that semi. Hit this cop car, oh freak. Okay, so these cars get, oh my gosh. These cars get damaged real easily.
What's going on? It's Dead Rising, Aiden.
I can't.
Oh!
Got somewhere to go? You're all charged up, but your phone isn't. Don't panic. What's the worst that can happen?
Oh gosh. Back up, back up. Okay. So like if you take out a car, you get like 1,000 points and all that. So here we go. I'm about to attack this semi. Head on, head on. Whoa!
Quick charge technology charges up to 85
Ah!
standard charges. Anchor uses this technology to create the world's fastest phone and tablet chargers. So
Ah! Oh, I missed.
and start enjoying.
Oh, I'm going head on. Okay, so I'm about to die. No! Oh, well, I got second.
Look! That's Dead Rising.
Okay, so I'm like, I have this car, this car, or truck. Then I have this one. I'm gonna use this one because this one's stronger.
The second one, got it. The third one, got it. And now, breaking back, man. To this day, Dead Rising is my most favorite zombie game of
We have part 2.
time. I remember when it first came out.
Okay, so we're going for that
I didn't even have
that van right there.
Bruh.
Oh, bus. I mean bus, because that I thought it was a van. Oh, well, there's a van.
Now we're getting paid to freaking play it. Speaking of getting paid, this video is sponsored by Sony Motion Pictures. Appreciate ya. See, Dead Rising, they also came up with.
So you want to take out the big trucks first.
Oh, another video game movie. Look, I had the same freaking mindset going into it. A lot of video game movies are trash, but yeah, it gets pretty lit. There were like 1 to 1.5 minute long, just straight up
Watch out.
fight sequences for zombies.
No, stop.
When you get a movie, it even comes with these freaking zombie tattoos. I mean, I wouldn't put one on, but they, you get you get
Sorry, I'm watching a movie.
You wanna check out the movie,
It's
click
funny.
the link in the description.
Oh crap, I'm about to blow. I'm about to blow. Dang it. Okay, so we're gonna restart that. I got 530.
Sammy, why did you say that you were watching a movie?
Okay, so you heard what I said about the semi. You're gonna go head on with them like this. Oh, well, I hit the van, so.
Like button. Leave a comment letting me know that you would like the movie. Okay, now we can finally play the game. All my work is done. Story mode.
Let's get it in, kid.
break back, baby.
Okay, I can't find them. Let's go. What the? Oh, there's one. There's one.
For this series, let's get it. Why? Hey, who's there?
So here we go, guys. It's
Who the fuck is that?
Oh, freak. Take out the semi, guys. Take out the semi. See all those points I said plus like 20, 12, and all that.
Bro,
That's the points, and you get money for those. So watch
What is
this.
that?
Hutcha!
Oh, they playing the flashback from the
Oh.
first one. Oh, that was a freaking, what was his name? That was the freaking doctor dude that started all this.
Let's go to menu, guys.
I don't recognize that. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh,
So let's go arena. Let's buy an arena. Open. So let's start this new arena I bought.
not run. Go! Oh, it's a nightmare. Let's get it.
Oh, that guy just ran into a tree.
Freaking nightmare.
That guy just ran into a
Hey, don't
tree.
come right on that. I'm gonna get more. More.
Don't give him some respect on Frank name. September 4th, 2021. Hey! I was getting a medal for the president when we went to Japan. I tripped.
This van is stupid.
Wait, what?
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Here we go. Head on collision.
Going back. Why?
Feet. My feet itch. Dang it. My feet itch. Oh, freak. My feet. Oh, gosh.
They're doing illegal scientific research.
My feet itch. So you get only like 30 seconds to hit a cart. Finally, golly. Turd nugget. My feet.
I'll give you
You know what he
What
You
the
eat a hot
fuck? No.
If you eat a hot Cheeto slice out, I will do
The okay, so I don't cuss because I'm not those type of people who do that. Oh, freak! No.
I am.
Fine, let me have a hot Cheeto.
If I give you a hot Cheeto, you're gonna give me
Not very well.
a piece of that. Just like that.
Wait, I don't want a hot Cheeto though.
It's a dare though. I'll give you some cookies. They're not that hot. I got milk.
Well, I got seconds. So, oh, your hoe smells like boo. Okay, guys, so that'll wrap it up for today. Thanks for watching.
If you eat a lot, they'll start getting hot.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks. See you later.